I'm going to show you how to download and install CVEDIA-RT on Windows. And we'll just start by pulling up the CVEDIA website. CVEDIA. Then we click on Products in the top menu. Click on CVEDIA-RT. And we scroll down a little bit and you'll see a Download Beta Now button. So we click there. It's going to take you to a list of options on where CVEDIA-RT runs. So on top, you'll see 4 colorful icons. They indicate the 4 systems that you can download right now and just get started. And the ones at the bottom tend to be cloud or chipsets, and they're a bit more involved. So they link you to documentation to actually show you how to get those working. But right now I'm going to focus on Windows only. So we're going to click on Windows Download. And then it's going to ask you to either sign up or log in, use your social account. So I'm going to use one of my test accounts to just sign in. And then it's going to take me to the actual download page. So here we see that for the current version of RT, there is a zip file. So I'm just going to click on that and download the zip file. Okay, so once the download completes, you just click on the zip file to open it. It's going to show you the contents. And now I'm going to create a new folder to extract CVEDIA-RT into, which I'll just call CVEDIA-RT. And then we start extracting all the files onto my drive. Okay, that's complete. Now we can close the zip file again. And what you'll see here is a bunch of files. And what you do is simply double click on CVEDIA-RT.bat. You click on that file and it should bring up a console showing you debug information and also open up a window with the CVEDIA-RT interface. And that's it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually run the examples and the things you can do with that.